Hi, viewers, it's Tom. Today I'm going to show you the natural recipe for your throat when you have a sore throat or when you're coughing. All I need these days, this is the Ashanti pepper or the uziza seed. This is ginger. This is your usual TomTom or lemon or lime. I have my honey. I have my container, and I have my small mortar here. Now I'm going to start doing this. Keep washing. Let's keep going. My Oziza is here. It's poured egg already. So I have to make it. Pound it, Then I put my TomTom already peeled. It all depends on how many TomTom you want to use. If you feel like, depends on the quantity that you want. You make them together. Then my ginger, I have to put it in. The ginger must, it's not the dry one. If you want to use the dry one, you can. If you have the fresh one, you use, but I'm using the fresh one here. I have my spoon here to shake it, turn it over. Yes, see. So this is the outcome of it. If you want to blend it more, but some people can use the blender, but for me, I'm using this. Everything is matched together now. Now my container, see, put it in, everything in because it's very, very good. No left out, no leftover. Remember, I use Ashanti pepper, TomTom, ginger, then my lime. After putting the lime here, I have to sieve the lime inside. When you cut your lime, you cut it like this, not like this, so that you can have, the juice. Lemon juice of lemon. And this one too. Now we have this. As you can see, this is it. Just stir it together, stir it together, stir it, stir it, stir it. Stir it together. Then the next thing I'm going to do now is my lime, my honey. Gonna put 2 teaspoons of honey. Maybe 3. Let me make it 3. Yeah. Cover back. See. You can see that color. You see how gelatinous it is. For any sore throat, any cough, you use this natural recipe. R.I.P. to the cough. R.I.P. to the sore throat. So you can leave it. If you feel like, yeah, it's ready to use, you can use it now. See? Now I have my natural recipe. See? You can put it anywhere, store in a cool dry place, and you're good to go. Thank you for your comment, for your like. Comment please. God bless.